Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E6i, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message on this device. You need to begin by opening Messages app and selecting one of your chats. Now click on this little icon with a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. Now you can tap on your photos right away in order to add them. You can also select Gallery section, click on your photos over here and tap on Add at the top right corner. Or click on Gallery, select Folders and hold your picture over here. Then click on Select at the top right corner as well. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my photos were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!